Good afternoon. It is December the 18th, 3:08 p.m. here in Hermitage, Tennessee. A cloudy Saturday afternoon, but I have been busy. I have redone all my lighting. This is coming from one light. All this light is coming from one light. All my Viltrox lights that I had up on the tripods and everything, they're still up there, but they're all turned off. And the secret is this lovely little new thing that my sister got me and gave me as an early Christmas gift. Now, you all may get a bit seasick, but here we go. We're going to show you this. There it is. It is a 5-panel LED display. These can fold up or down to adjust wherever you need them to go. And I just stuck it on through the blinds, attached it to the crossbar of the window. It's got the on-off switch right here by my hand. I don't have to get up. I don't have to clap. Don't have to do anything to it. And it's set to reflect off the blinds, off the walls, off the ceiling. It illuminates that I can even use the green screen over on the other computer desk. It's a marvel. Amazon has them on sale too for $22. So I just replaced, I've got what, 1, 2, 3 Viltrox lights. That's $105 worth of lighting I've replaced with an $11 light fixture. And it screws into a regular socket. We had one of the old clamp shop lights, with the little metal hood comes up. Took that hood off, screws right in, boom, attaches to the up and down old wooden frame. We've got 3 panes in this top window. And it does the entire job. I'll know later tonight whether it really works that well or not, but it's looking like it's going to do the job just fine. Now, it does cause, as you can see, the shadowing gets a bit dull. And when I get the green screen material, get this all up on the walls, so I can, and then this will have the same color cover over it. This will all be like a green screen corner. And so I can use it. But I wonder how it would do. Let us just go up here and try something, shall we? We'll go up here and we'll say choose a background. And let's choose a palm tree. Okay, now we have to adjust this because that's just, I've got the green screen. Let's pick what color we're going to take out. Let's take out the brown. So we'll have just palm trees, moving palm trees on the pillow. Oh, that takes me out too. That's no good at all. Okay, so we'll do this again and we'll take out the green. We'll have palm tree, we'll have waves crashing in the background. Of course, now if I go up here and I do it on the pink, you see it bleeds through and everything. So I need, I'm gonna have to work on that, but it looks like it's doable. It will be, now if I say I don't have a green screen and turn it off, that's not too bad. That's not too bad at all. We can use the Windows thing. That works rather well for a virtual green screen. I just like having a one better, Of course, if I go up here and say, what happens if I say I do have a green screen and we want to take out the white? Boom, we become ghosty. Just a shadow of our mirror's former self. Anyway, I'm going to quit playing. I could just go up and blur the background a bit. That would do, I suppose, but that looks sort of weird. I'll just go with none. Y'all don't care how I look anyway. I mean, I'm not convinced anybody cares what I say, so why should I bother how I look? Anyway, I will take this down and do it and everything, and I'll probably throw it up just to just so y'all can see what light I'm talking about and everything. So for right now, we're going to do that, and we're going to end this thing and say goodbye. Oh, first I best stop the recording. Stop. Ah.